Hi, to insert SIM card in your Vivo X100 Pro, we would need to find a SIM tray first. And it is located on the bottom of the phone, and you can see this little hole in it. So to open it, we would need to take this ejector, which goes in a complete with the device. Or you can use any other one you have, and even a needle, but be careful so you won't damage the slot. Now we need to insert this ejector in the little hole. Slightly press so the tray would be half opened. And now we need to pull it out using our nails like that. So here we can find the SIM tray and SIM slot for the first SIM card and for the second one. So this phone supports dual SIM card. Now take your SIM and place it in the first or second SIM slot so it will fit perfectly like that in the right position. And now just carefully insert it back in the phone and close the tray securely. And now we just need to unlock the phone, enter its passcode, and after that in the upper right corner we can see those signal bars indicating that SIM card was inserted correctly. We can also go in the settings, go in the network and internet, here select the SIM card, and if we can see this tab for the first SIM card, then everything is alright. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.